जो स्टाइल था वो हमने कॉपी करके थर्ड टेक्स्ट बॉक्स पे डेट वगैरह लिखी हुई। So this is how the copy style tag works. Able to follow till here? Okay. So again, moving on to the three dots, we are left with, I suppose, one more option, transparency. So transparency basically lets you to, dim or to brighten the text. So if you just adjust the slider to your left or to the right, तो उससे जो ब्राइटनेस एलिमेंट टेक्स्ट की जो ट्रांसपेरेंसी है वो कम या ज्यादा हो जाती है। ठीक है, so these were all the things that you can do to edit the text that you have already written. Now we will be covering the other elements जिनके साथ you can play around in the Canva app. Hello everyone, I hope you were able to follow all the steps till now. Yeah, can I get a heads up? Great. So from here onwards, I'll be walking you through the rest of the steps, which will help you in designing your poster, completing it, and also making it more visually appealing. So let's start with editing the top text box. You would be seeing a text box at the top of your poster. We'll start editing it. Let's say we are writing Sri Aurobindo College in that text box, and you can also select the font size and the font style that you want. Yes, ma'am. It was already there. Okay, so we have added the word Sri Aurobindo College, and below it we have also written University of Delhi. Now let's explore the options that are given to us on the side panel. Can you see the side panel on which elements, uploads, text, photos, and other options are given to you? We are going to explore this panel now. So let's start with the text tab. So once you click on text tab, you would see the three options in front of you, that is heading, subheading, and little body of text. So depending upon the content, just like ma'am was asking that if we can add additional information to the poster or not, so we can do that by using this option. So we can add a subheading by clicking on that tab. So we'll add a subheading, let's say Department of Commerce. We'll show it to you. You can see it on the screen. So add a subheading. We are writing Department of Commerce in that. After that, if you want to add additional content in your poster, you can even add a little body of text. Okay, so while adding this additional content, we can even use bullet list. You can see in the toolbar, which ma'am was like previously exploring with you, right? So there is a bullet numbering, bullet list icon that is visible. If we click on that, we can even add content in the form of bullets or numbering, numerical list. So let's say we want to incorporate the key outcomes of this workshop. So we can just add on 2 points here. That is to create posters and presentations. And the second outcome would be that all of you would be receiving a certificate of participation. Let us know if you are done till here so that we can proceed ahead. Are we good to go? Okay. As you can see that we also have some font combination. In the side panel, we also have some font combinations. So you can even choose one of these combinations in order to make your poster look very attractive. So if you choose any of these options, you can simply type away the text on your poster and it would be taking this kind of font style and design. So ma'am is showing it to you. You can see it on the screen. If I edit this text box, that is I can and I will, I can incorporate the content of my choice that I want to reflect on this poster. All right. Moving on, let's explore the element tab. So we all can see the element tab on the side panel. So element tab basically consists of graphics, pictures, audio, stickers, charts, and other aesthetics, which helps to make your poster more attractive. So we'll start with inserting pictures in the poster. But before that, let me tell you that we can also edit and delete an already existing element on your poster. So if you can see, we have various elements like this particular picture is there, then a cup of tea is there, a pencil is also lying on that poster. So we can select that picture and simply click on the delete button. And you can even use a delete option or a delete icon on your Canva software. Yeah. So we have deleted an already existing element from our poster. Now we can insert a new picture of our choice. So we go to the element tab and we can also type in a keyword. Keyword helps you to narrow down your choices. Okay. So let's say this is a digital workshop. So I can type a keyword digital. So it would give me a plethora of options right in front of me and I can choose whatever picture that suits my poster. So we'll select one picture. So we have selected this particular picture, and once we have selected the picture, you can see that the border of that picture becomes active. So this further highlights that we can edit this picture also. So you can see that there are various options on the toolbar right now. Edit image, crop, and flip. So once you click on edit image, you can see that we can control the contrast, brightness, and saturation of the picture. We can even control the intensity of the filters. So as you can see, we are using the sliders to control the brightness and saturation of the picture. So we can easily do that. Then after that, we can even crop the picture. If we click on the crop option, you can resize the picture and you can just simply click on the done option and we can proceed ahead. Then the flip option that is given on the toolbar can flip your picture either horizontally or vertically. We'll show you the effects. So this is flip horizontally and this is flip vertically. Okay. Another option that is there on the toolbar is animate. So we can even animate this picture. So if we click on it, we have several options right in front of us and we can choose from either of these like rise, pan, fade, and we can apply this animation effect to our picture. Okay. Below it, you can also see the option of remove animation. So if you want to remove the animation, you can simply click on that option as well. We don't want the animation effect on your picture. Are we done till here? Okay, great. Moving on, we are done with the elements tab. Now let's look at the upload option. So upload option is a very interesting option because it allows you to upload any picture, audio, video of your choice that is being saved on your desktop and even on your social media accounts. What you need to do is simply click on uploads, then go to upload files. It will take you to the location from where you want to upload that particular audio, video, or image. So we will choose a sample picture and open. So you can see that this picture is getting uploaded here. So if I want, I can add this picture onto my poster itself. So upload option is basically to make you add pictures and graphical content of your own choice. Is this clear? Okay. Moving on, we'll explore the More tab option. So More tab option basically consists of styles, backgrounds, charts, audios, and videos again. So till now we were making a still poster, a standing or a static poster. So we can even add audio and videos to our poster. I'll just show it to you that how do we do that. So we go to the More tab, More option tab. Click on it. Go to the audio and choose any audio that you want to incorporate. And it's audible to you? All right. Similarly, we can even add a video to our poster. We'll quickly show it to you. So we can even adjust and resize the video box onto our poster. So in this way, we insert the audios and videos. And moving on to the next tab, we have background tab here. So we can even change the background of our poster if we want. So you can see the various options in front of you. So you can go with any of the options that you like. And in this way, we can even change the background. Then there is also style tab that is visible on the side panel. Some of you might be able to get this option by clicking on More tab. Okay, so when you click on More tab, you get all of these options: background, styles, audios, videos, charts. So you can click on Style option. The Style option basically shows the style palette and the font combination. So you get an opportunity to use both the font palette and the style combinations of the fonts. So you can apply that onto your poster. Then moving on, we have how to animate the entire poster. So we can even apply animation to the entire poster. So basically, animation is whatever element is appearing on the poster, you are adding some effect to it. That how that element moves in or moves out from that particular area. So in this aspect, it is our poster. So we'll talk about that. So we click on the animate button and we get so many options and combinations in front of us. And with that, we can have animation effect on all the elements of our poster. So you can see the impact of it. So ma'am is showing it to you simultaneously. So we click on fade, pan, rise, fun, breathe, storm, pop. So you can see that all the elements are moving accordingly. Are we good to go? Are we done till here? Okay. Ma'am,
It's on the top white
top
bar,
right
ma'am.
bar. So when we start presenting the poster, so we can see the impact of it. We can start presenting the poster. So the audio starts immediately, and the video is also playing simultaneously. The video box is very small in our poster, but it is playing simultaneously with the audio as well. Okay, so are we done till here? Because only the last part of the poster making is left. That is to download the poster. So are we done till here? All of us, can I get a loud yes? Okay, thank you. So for downloading the poster, we go to the file menu, file option on the menu bar. We click on it, scroll down, you will see the download option. Click on that. After clicking on that, the camera would suggest the file type or the format or the extension in which you can save your file. So it is suggesting MP4 video since we are adding the audio and video to it. That is why this particular format has been suggested by camera. So you can go with the suggestion or you can even download it in PDF format if it does not contain any audio videos. Or you can go with PNG or JPG format also. So we'll go with MP4 video. Selecting this option, we click on download a free watermark draft. Click on it. It will take few seconds, and then it will take you to a box where it would ask you to save the file and the location of the file. Sure, ma'am. So ma'am, we go to the file option. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. For that is why it is suggesting you to save it as MP4 video.
Yeah.
Yes, it will
Yeah.
play. It will play.
So as you can see, we'll get this option where we need to save the file name and the location where we want to save it. So we can choose the desktop as our location, and we can type the file name that we want and click on save. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So we are using the free version of Canva here. The elements which have a crown over them. So it's a paid version. Ma'am, you can open this file again in the Canva and it will ask you to edit or make a copy. So you can go to the edit option and you can edit whatever.
Even after downloading, you
Yes.
can go to your home page. You can scroll down. सेव भी हो जाएगा वो वर्जन. आप अपने होम पेज को खोलोगे ना मैम, आपको नीचे आपके सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स दिखेंगे. आप डबल क्लिक करोगे, you will be able to edit it. No, we can download. We have downloaded this file. We can't download it.
Has everyone downloaded their posters? Great, great. We hope you enjoyed designing your poster. Thank you so much. I would now like to hand over the stage to my colleagues, Ms. Yako and Ms. Angela Boyle, to take you further on this Canva journey and to make you learn how to make a talking presentation. Thank you so very much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Akruti and Priyanka. I must say that both my previous speakers have made our task a lot easier by explaining everything, every tab so beautifully and so thoroughly. Thank you so much. Now we'll begin with the next segment of our presentation. I request you all to please move on to the home page of Canva. You can see that option just below your profile picture. So it's home written over there. I hope everybody on the home page now. There is a home tab on the extreme top left corner as well. So you can click over there also to go to the home page. Alright, so next segment of our workshop is creating presentations, and after this we will move on to creating talking presentations. So first of all, we have to have a presentation first in order to record a talking presentation. So let's start with that. Most of the steps are almost same as that of creation of a poster. So we'll do them a little bit quickly in comparison to the poster because we've already done that. So we move on to create a design. You can see that option on the right top corner, create a design. Again, a number of options will be appearing to you. We'll select presentation. Click on the presentation tab. A blank template is appearing on the right hand side. Again, now we'll explore one by one all the tabs that are there to use. So coming over to the left bar, that is there, templates, elements, uploads. We'll start with the templates tab. In the templates tab, you can see the search box. Also, if you are, let's say, preparing a marketing presentation, you can type marketing. But since this workshop is towards sustainability, so let's type sustainability over there. After typing sustainability, you can see a number of options available, already designed templates to you. So whichever template suits you or you like the color combination of that, you can select that. We are selecting Sustainable Development Goals Report template. Now it is asking you apply all 34 pages. For our ease, they have already prepared like a complete presentation. So if our topic is like exactly same and we already designed template, we can apply all the 34 pages in that. We can click on that and we can just change some styles or some color options because most of the things already being done for us by Canva. So let's apply all the 34 pages because now we are not restricted to a poster. We are here to create a presentation. As you can see, the title slide, Sustainable Development Goals Report. So, and we have some other pages also for that. Some data and those 17 SDG goals that have been discussed are also there in this presentation. So we'll work over it. I hope the template has been selected by all. All right. Let's move on to the next elements tab. So we can change or format a picture also, and we can change or format the text also. So let's first put up some elements into the PPT. So if we are, let's say, searching for an arrow or a bracket, we can simply type that in the search box. It will narrow down the options. So if we type arrow and press enter, it will give us all the arrow options that we want to use. We can use some still arrows, we can use graphic arrows also. So let's select one of the arrow of our choice. You need to simply click on the arrow and it will be displayed on the screen. Yes, ma'am, these are in the elements. And you can type in the search box arrow. Let's say if you want a red arrow to be specific, so you can even type red arrow in the search box and it will give you all the options available in Canva for red arrow. Then you simply click and the same will appear on the slide. After having it on the slide, then again, just like the poster part, we can do the editing of this arrow, we can crop the image, we can edit the image. That is all you people are already aware of, right? We can even flip the arrow horizontally or vertically, and we can add the animation effects. So these are the animation effects that you can see, rise and fade, etc. You can arrange the speed also, you can arrange the direction also. So see, Canva is all about your own creativity. Alright, just like this element that we have put in, we can do the formatting part. Same way, if there is any image on the slide or any text on the slide, we can do its formatting as well by simply clicking on the image or the text. Like when we click on the image, there are two tabs which are getting opened. Page animations and photo animations. So photo animations will apply the changes to the photo only and page animations will apply the change to the full slide. So you can just simply click and see the effects. These are page animations that we are doing over here. Firstly, so the whole page is getting animated. Then we can click on photo animations and then only the photo will get. Alright, we can again crop, flip, and other options are also available. We can go through with them as well. You can just simply see on the screen for the effects. brightness, contrast, saturation can also be changed. Alright, that's all about the elements tab. Yes, ma'am. Please cover that. Next is the uploads option on the left bar. Next option after elements is the uploads tab. Again, same as that of the poster, we can upload files that are existing in our PC or laptop. So we simply need to click on the three dots or upload files. It's showing us the available options. Google Drive से फोटो ले सकते हैं, Insta से डाल सकते हैं, Dropbox can be used, Google Photos से भी upload किया जा सकता है. So for the time being, we are uploading from our own laptop. So we click on upload. It will ask you the location of the file in your PC. So we go to download section. We have our pic in the download section, and then we can select the pic. College logo it is, university logo. Click on the file, click on open. The image will get downloaded just below the image tab under uploads. As you can see, the blue water that's running, so that's the sign for downloading. Once the image gets downloaded, this will disappear. Yeah. The image has been downloaded. Now all you need to do is click the image and it will appear on the presentation. Again, the same process. You can select the presentation, crop it, change its position, change the color of it, etc. Are we good to go? Any doubts? Okay. Next, coming over to the text. Yes, you have to select it and click on delete from the keyboard, or there is a delete option on the right corner, top right corner of the screen. Moving on to the text tab now. From the text tab, we can add a heading, subheading, or some body element. If you want to incorporate any typed word, let's say we want to insert a thank you. So we can simply type thank you in the search text bar. So when we type thank you over there, it will give us plenty of options showing thank you. So we can select any out of it. Again, formatting can be done as per the requirement. Yes. Yes. Right. Okay, now we cover that. Next, we come up to the photos bar. Coming over to the photos, from this tab, we can incorporate some already existing. Okay. On the photos tab, again, same thing, we have plenty of photos available on Canva. So if we are searching for, let's say, like sustainability summative pic, so we can type sustainability in the search box and it will provide us with that particular pic. We can choose from the available options. So this is one of the sustainability pics that we have incorporated. So according to your own topic, you can search and choose. Next, moving on to the styles tab. Again, the styles tab will give you some of the color option that's available to us. So we can select the available styles from here, which will change the required color options. Somebody prefers bright colors, somebody prefers a little bit, simple sober dull colors, so we can choose a color. Next tab is the audio tab. This has already covered very thoroughly the poster part, and if you want to upload some audio, so that can be done in presentations as well. You just need to search it, you need to click it. One more thing, links can also be uploaded from your YouTube. So let's suppose you like some video on YouTube, or you just click on the link of that particular video and you are playing it, and you need to copy that link over on the screen. We can show it on the screen as well. You can do so directly over here also, or we can just go into the browser, log into YouTube, and show how to copy that video. We are typing sustainability in the search box. That will show us all the YouTube videos available. So let's say we want to incorporate this video in our PPT. So we need to play this video, and then we need to copy the link, HTTP links as available. Copy the link, and then we paste it on our Canva presentation. As you can see, the video is now getting displayed on the screen. You have to double click on the video in order to play that. That is working a little bit slow, that's right. I guess we can skip this part. All we need to do is double click on the video and it will get. Next, after this audio and video part, we have background. Alright, coming over to the background tab now. So you can change the background of your slides by clicking on them. It will change the background. Content will remain the same, only the background will be changed. However, if you chose one template and started working on it, and in between you want to change the template design, then that cannot be done in Canva. Like originally starting say आप change से नहीं कर पाएंगे, because it will ask you to apply to all the pages, and when you do so, your data will be erased. So either you select the template in the beginning, or you can add some new slide with a new template in that. But एक बार ही जो आपने बंद किया तो उसमें template. So that's a little bit drawback of Canva. Now the most important part is sometimes we make a presentation. Let's say we have done some research and we have collected responses via questionnaire, and we want to show the results by some pie charts, bar diagrams, histograms. So we can do so by the charts tab here on the left bar. There are a number of options available for that. You can incorporate any of the chart. So let's select this histogram. As soon as you click on it, histogram will get displayed on the slide. Now, after clicking on the chart that has been incorporated, we are changing the background so that visibility is better. So when we click on the histogram, on the left hand side, the data. Can you see on the left hand side that full data that's to be presented in the histogram is appearing? Can you see the data, settings, item 1, item 2, etc. appearing on the screen? So accordingly, you can modify this histogram as per the data collected. Like if we want to show the gender of the responses collected, so we can accordingly delete and we can have like two options, male and female, and we can give the other options also accordingly. कितने males हैं और कितने female. So that data can be edited using the left-hand side box. Alright, that's all about creating the presentations. All of the tabs have been covered in posters as well as presentations. So as per your requirement, you can design your own presentations. But now the most crucial part is recording a talking presentation. So just like Priyanka and Abhi have told you how to download a poster, so we'll also guide you by the same steps like how to download the PPT and how to record a talking presentation. So I'll hand over the mic to Ms. Kirti. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we are coming.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. I hope people are enjoying learning something new. So now that we have learned that how to make beautiful and appealing presentations on Canva using templates, so Canva also has a feature for recording talking presentations. So by talking presentations, what I mean is that you can, by talking presentations, what I mean is that you can upload a presentation, you can make a presentation, you can add animation and your voice in the presentation. And you can record the presentation as a video and then further get uploaded on any YouTube channel, or you can also use it as a lecture to give it to the students, or even the students can use it for making or creating videos. Like the students must be aware about the influencers world that is going on right now, right? So yeah, so there are so many Instagrammers, famous Instagrammers, YouTubers. I'm sure that you must be aware about Carrie Minati, right? So yeah, so that is what we are going to learn now. That how can we upload present or talking video on the YouTube channel? Okay. So for that, yeah. So once when you have made the presentation, we can record it by clicking on the present tab. So you can see it on the extreme right corner. Can you see it, the present tab? I hope everybody has seen the present. This is the present tab, okay? Now you have to click on that tab and you have to select present and record. So there is a drop-down list. So in that drop-down list, you are supposed to select present and record. Yeah. The presentations that we are working upon right now. Any template you can choose and then you can click on present. Got it? Okay. Then after that, you are supposed to click on so you can see it on the drop down that you can actually the presentation is being shown in a small can be seen in a small box like this. Whatever presentation you are willing to upload. Okay? Now you are supposed to click on go to the record studio. So there is a tab in there are two tabs. One is pay and remove watermark, and the other one is your go to the recording studio. Yeah. It's okay, ma'am. I'll just repeat it.
Ma'am, after going on to the home, you can click on the projects and you can select your design or the presentation that you have prepared. Okay. Then on the right hand side,
yes ma'am. Any presentation you can select from the template, and then you can record your lecture with that presentation.
On the right side, there is an option of present.
Present. Yes,
right.
Right.
Just by the side of share.
Yeah. Present and record. So after this, we are supposed to click on the go to record studio. Go to the recording studio. Done? Are we on the same page? Okay. So from here, you can check the settings of your microphone and your camera.
Our video is already visible on Zoom, so that's why we cannot open it.
So this circle, this white circle, you can see your own face, right? You can see your own videos in that, like you're presenting, right? So you are supposed to click on start recording. Start recording.
And the countdown begins.
Yeah. Now the 3, 2, 1 begins. And you can see on the left top corner, there is a timer which is going on. So that means your recording is in process. And you can see your picture also in that small circle. In our screen, it is white, but in your screen, you must be done. Okay. So after this, supposedly in between, you have to stop the presentation or you have to stop the recording. So you can use the pause tab for that, and you can pause your presentation for the time. And after that, when you will unpause it, again the presentation will start on it. Done? Okay. Okay. And after that, after completing your presentations, okay, one more thing is that you can also add notes to your design. Like by adding notes, you can some extra information you can that you want to convey to the people, you can add it into the notes area. It is on the right side of your presentation. You can type it. You can type it. We will play the recording. Yeah. So after this, after recording your presentation, in which you are also visible, and also the content that you want to present is also visible, you are going to end the recording. So please click on end recording. It is just adjacent to the pause tab. So you can see 3 options over here. One is the copy link. Now this link is for the video that you have created, that talking presentation that you have created. The other one is save and edit. So you can also save your talking video, and you can also then edit it if in case it is required. Yeah, exit. Okay, then you have, and finally the third option is download. So download is something that you can download your presentation into your systems, and simultaneously the presentation will be saved under the projects tab, which is on the home page under the design tabs of the projects. Okay. So with this, we are done with the recording of the presentation. Now the main part of, okay, is there a doubt?
Ma'am, we'll explore that feature and we'll give it up afterwards.
Okay, as you can see, that the video is being uploaded in MP4 format, right? Because of internet constraints, it must be taking time. Yeah, Because Canva is also available on internet. Like if you will put Canva on Google, so they will directly direct you to that. It is similar to the way we make online payments. Like they give us the link on the messages that please click on the link today. So similarly, this link is similar to that. You can click on the link and the link will automatically take you to the Canva presentation.
In fact, we can have collaborators also,
Right.
like 4 of us or 5 of us are working on the same presentation. So what we can do, anyone can take the initiative, start making the presentation, and then the link of the same can be shared with those 4 to 5. Those persons will be the collaborators and can access and edit. While sharing the link, you will be displayed all the options, that whether the link will be shared to the persons, so those persons can only view that file, those persons can edit that file. So you can change those options and have some collaborators also, like 4 or 5 or as many numbers can work on the same presentations in Canva.
So people can actually put their inputs together. It would be a group work. So sitting at your home or sitting at your comfort zone, you can work on a same pace, right? You have the presentation and you can edit it. All people can edit. Yeah. Everybody can have. Yeah. All the people will be there. Like right now you can see Ankita's picture over there. So if you will add, so the number of collaborators will be there, you can see. And you can also see that which page of the presentation they are editing. So there would be a highlight box over there and you can see the name that this particular person is editing this presentation or this particular page.
We'll show you the sample also.
Yeah. The link. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, now the download is complete and the system is asking us to select a location or a path where we can save our presentation. So we can choose a path of our choice and we can save the presentation to our systems.
This is the talking presentation that we have recorded.
Can you hear?
Since our camera was off, that's why the video is not appearing. But those who are doing with us simultaneously, I'm sure their video or their photograph will have been there on the left corner. Is it appearing? Yes?
Is it? Okay, now the content creation part is done and we have to socialize or upload our content on a social platform, right? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'll be covering that. Okay, so in case that you have already a presentation that you have supposedly made in PowerPoint or any other software, so you can also upload that presentation on Canva and you can make a talking presentation out of that. So again, we are supposed to come on
Homepage.
the home page. Am I audible? Okay. So again, we are supposed to come on the home page and on the blue bar, you can see upload on the extreme right corner. There is custom size and upload. Is it visible? Custom size and upload. So we will click on upload. So there would be a drop down that will be appearing. So either you can drop a file from your system directly or you can browse it and select a file from the system. So the presentation that we recorded right now, we are going to select that presentation.
It will take time to upload that talking presentation. So instead, we are uploading a simple PPT.
Simple PPT.
Screen. You can select any of the presentation if you have in your laptops or
Any
PCs.
presentations that you must have prepared, you can select those presentations.
Because we can't show it on the projector as of now. Once you select that file, click on open. The same will be appearing under the projects tab itself under design.
So whatever work that we are doing, all the work is automatically saved on Canva project under the project head. Any poster you make, any video you make, any kind of presentations that you are making, any invites, any business cards, everything will be there on your projects head. On the home page, you're supposed to click on the projects and you can see all the projects that you have done. So if I hope everybody has uploaded a presentation from their systems to the Canva app. So is it visible under the project head? Now the procedure is same. We will open the presentation and again we'll go on the present tab and then we'll start present and record.
Same steps will be followed.
The steps are similar to what we did after making a presentation. Ma'am, it will be under the project head. Yeah, you can do that.
And presentation will be blank.
For the participants' convenience, we have shared the proper guide in the form of PDF on the group that you people have joined via WhatsApp. So there is a step-by-step with screenshots of the Canva. Yes, ma'am.
You can edit.
All the elements, all the features, you can use that presentation that you have uploaded. Yes, ma'am. It is saved in, it is basically, ma'am, it's like Google Drive. So once you log in with your account, yeah, yes, you sign in and you'll get all the. So it's kind of cloud on cloud. Yes. Yeah. Then again, we have to be the pro version. We have to use the pro version users. From YouTube? Yes. And first, we would be showing them how to upload it. After that, that's how it goes. Okay, so I hope it is clear till here. Shall we proceed further? So as rightly said by Deborah Masteller, videos and image content will be more useful when it comes to influencing searches and social results. So obviously, अब इतनी मेहनत की है, वीडियो बनाई है, तो उसका social result और outcome तो चाहिए, ठीक है? So उस result और outcome के purpose को कौन solve करेगा? YouTube solve करेगा, right? So coming on to the YouTube channel or YouTube, you can type in into your browsers YouTube.
When you click on your profile picture after logging in into YouTube, आप लोग YouTube पे login करेंगे अपने Google account से, so you can see your own profile picture on the right hand side. When you click on that profile picture, on the screen it's showing your channel because I have already created my own YouTube channel. If you don't have your YouTube channel, यहाँ पे option आएगा create a channel. So you can create a channel and follow the steps that follows on the YouTube pop-ups, right? So once your channel is created, you will see that your channel option is here.
But for that, you have to first log in into YouTube. So as you can see, the picture is appearing over here. So that means we are logged in by Amrita's account. Okay. So this is how the YouTube page appears when we open it. Yes. Are we on the same page? Shall we proceed? Okay. So you can see an icon of a video on the right hand top corner. There is a bell icon. Now what is the bell icon? Yes. What is the bell icon? Notifications, right? So you can see this video icon on the top right corner of your screens. Is it visible to all of you? All right. We will click on that icon. Yes. So after clicking on that icon, you can see there is a drop down in which you have to select upload video. So this is how this. Okay. So when you select upload video, this screen is going to appear. So again, you can select a file from your system, or you can drag it to this particular area. Drag and drop video to upload. The talking presentation that we made right now, we will be uploading that. Yeah. Are we on the same page? The talking presentation that we created, we are uploading that presentation on YouTube. So as and when you select the file, this is the screen that appears. So you can change the details. Now in details, you have the title of the video, right? Obviously, the users are going to type in the search box that what they want to know about on YouTube. Supposedly, I want to learn that how can I calculate log. So I will write down in the YouTube space in the search bar of the YouTube that how to calculate log using log table, right? So that is the title of the video that we are going to write. So the title of the video is User Guide to Talking Presentation. So the people, when they will search User Guide to Talking Presentation, they can find that video on YouTube, right? And further, you can also add description about what you are going to talk, like a small detailed small description about what we are going to talk about in this video. Like it's similar to the synopsis of the book. While purchasing a novel, we always read the back page of the novel to find out that whether the novel is of our interest or not. So after this, we will select the next tab. Okay. So after selecting the next tab, this screen is going to appear. So over here, you can select the audience. You can customize the visibility of the video to the different people. Now in this we have, okay, before that we have you have to select that whether the video is for the kids or it is not made for the kids. Okay, so accordingly you can select it. And next, you have to skip that. Yeah. So after so this screen is visible for the visible. The screen will appear on the screens for the visibility. Now in visibility you have the options of private. So private means that people cannot see your video. Only you can access the video when you log into your channel. Then the second one is unlisted. So unlisted means the people who have the link. Like when we used to take classes on Google Classroom, we used to invite students, and the students who were not having the link were not able to enter the class. So similarly, the people who will have the link of the video, they can access the video. So this is the second format, which is unlisted. And the third visibility format is public, which is when the video is visible to everybody. The people will type in the name of the topic, or they can type the link, or they can copy the link and they can access the video. So after this, you will enter, you will click on publish. Okay, now the video has been published and you can share the link of the video via the different social media platforms that we have, like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and you can also email it to someone. So that's it for this. And now that we are thorough with Canva, I would now like to invite Namita ma'am. Okay. I would like to invite Vanda Bhanna ma'am. Ma'am, your sari is looking very beautiful. Conclude the workshop. Thank you.
Thank you, Kirti, Akriti, Ankita, Priyanka, Sapna, Vinny, they're all here. And many thanks to Narada for initiating this workshop. It was, I think, very, very informative. We have been doing bits and pieces of this. And since we have not taken any class, we were missing out on certain things. And I think we have really put it together very well in one capsule. And whenever we get stuck, of course, we look up the PDF. But it was very essential for hands-on experience of doing these posters and talk presentations. In all, I think it was very precisely done, very, very well conducted and communicated. And I congratulate the Commerce Department and putting this together for us. I really think a lot of our peers have colleagues have missed out, and maybe we need to do it again. And because of the exams, my department people do not know. It was excellent endeavor, very well done. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am, for such kind words. I would now request everybody to please come on the stage for a group photograph. All the faculty members, students, everybody present in the, please come forward for a group photo. Thank you. We can stop sharing on Zoom and other platforms, sir. Alright. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much for all the attendees that have joined us on Zoom platform. I really appreciate your patience in listening. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Is there any feedback? Okay, thank you, everyone.
हाँ जी